I'm Victoria, this is Dennis, and this is Joseph. And this is the beginning of our alcohol. And we are going to attempt, well, Dennis is, putting on the driver's side mirror of a
Dodge truck.
2007.
Ram.
One shot down. He's going to start by removing the inner door panel. What you smoking there, Dennis?
Probably. Undo the clip. And there are 3 nuts to take off. Turn it off on. And here we go. And of course, it's not going to be a regular size, so you need metric. And it's going to be a 10 millimeter to unscrew the 3 bolts. So here I go.
You can see his Jimmy rigged mirror that he had there for about a couple of weeks. The stogie in hand is important.
Another clip or not. Yeah. There you go. And now to put the new one on. There we go again. Clean up a little bit.
I think we should pause for alcohol.
There you go. I need that.
Cheers.
This is a necessity. Doesn't matter what brand. It'll make the job easier. Put the electrical clip back on.
Where did the nuts go?
On the,
Okay, on the other side.
yeah, right here that they came through.
Okay.
And then push your panel back in with 1 screw and you're done.
Let's see how he does that. Looks like a little bit of brute force might help. Cigar still in mouth. About 10 minutes of work. Brand new mirror. Limited cussing. Still on the first beer.
Done.
Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.